The Rockville RKL80MB Marine Speaker Bundle combines 8-inch two-way speakers with matching tower pods and clamps to create a cohesive, purpose-built system for boats and other open-air vehicles. Each speaker offers high-power handling with strong output across bass, mid-range, and treble, so music stays clear and impactful even when the engine is running and the wind is loud. The included aluminum pods are built from aircraft-grade material with a protective finish, giving them excellent resistance to corrosion, salt spray, and sun exposure over many seasons. Internally routed wiring and sealed connections help keep moisture away from critical contacts, resulting in a cleaner installation and fewer reliability worries in harsh marine environments. The adjustable swivel clamps allow the speakers to rotate a full circle, letting you aim sound toward riders, the swim platform, or the main deck without having to remount anything. Integrated multicolor style lighting that reacts to the music adds a fun custom look at night while still maintaining a rugged, weather-rated design suitable for serious marine use.